I had a full knee replacement because it was wore out. I don't know, I worked on cement probably for 41 years. I kind of retired then after having my knee done. Everything went really good. And then they come and checked on me and make sure my toes, I could move my toes, all that. And they released me to come home the same day. And for my rehab, I stayed with Faith, and it was awesome because Russ always said, no pain, no gain, and we got her done. And I can straighten it out. I can use it like I normally would. I don't have a bit of trouble getting on and off tractors. I do my chores. I work cattle and stuff. I'm on it for 6-7 hours, straight, and it's good. We got it done, and I am grateful for it. And everything is super. My name is Dan, and when I needed a full knee replacement, I had Faith.